What is epigenetics? Epigenetics, as the name suggests, refers to above or beyond genetics. It is the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations in the DNA sequence itself. Instead, epigenetic changes can influence the way genes are activated or silenced, impacting the functioning of cells and, ultimately, an individual's health. What are epigenetic factors and how do they affect human health? Epigenetic factors play a pivotal role in shaping human health and development, going beyond the traditional understanding of genetics. In this comprehensive article, we will delve deep into the world of epigenetic factors and explore how they can impact human health. From understanding the basic principles of epigenetics to exploring the implications of epigenetic changes on various health conditions, this article aims to provide you with valuable insights into this fascinating area of research. Epigenetics, as the name suggests, refers to above or beyond genetics. It is the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations in the DNA sequence itself. Instead, epigenetic changes can influence the way genes are activated or silenced, impacting the functioning of cells and, ultimately, an individual's health. It is the study of changes in gene expression that do not involve alterations in the DNA sequence itself. Instead, epigenetic changes can influence the way genes are activated or silenced, impacting the functioning of cells and, ultimately, an individual's health. At the core of epigenetics lies the epigenome, a complex system of chemical tags that attach to the DNA and its associated proteins. These tags act as switches, determining whether specific genes are turned on or off, regulating gene expression. The main types of epigenetic modifications include DNA methylation, histone modification, and non-coding RNA regulation. DNA methylation involves the addition of a methyl group to specific regions of DNA, typically resulting in gene silencing. It plays a crucial role in various biological processes, such as embryonic development, genomic imprinting, and X chromosome inactivation. Aberrant DNA methylation has been linked to several diseases, including cancer and neurodevelopmental disorders. Histones are proteins around which DNA is coiled, forming a compact structure called chromatin. Histone modifications refer to chemical alterations of these proteins, affecting how tightly or loosely the DNA is packaged. Depending on the type of modification, genes can become more accessible for transcription or, conversely, be tightly packed and silenced. Non-coding RNAs are RNA molecules that do not encode proteins, but have diverse regulatory functions. MicroRNAs and long non-coding RNAs are examples of non-coding RNAs that can influence gene expression through various mechanisms, adding another layer of complexity to epigenetic regulation. The concept of developmental origins of health and disease, DOHAD, suggests that early life experiences and environmental exposures can shape epigenetic patterns, leading to long-term effects on health. For instance, a fetus exposed to maternal stress or malnutrition may undergo epigenetic changes that predispose them to certain health conditions later in life. Aging is a complex process influenced by both genetic and epigenetic factors. Studies have shown that certain epigenetic modifications accumulate over time, contributing to age-related diseases and functional decline. Understanding the epigenetic basis of aging could offer promising avenues for interventions to promote healthy aging. Epigenetic dysregulation has been implicated in various chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. By identifying key epigenetic markers associated with these conditions, researchers hope to develop targeted therapies for improved disease management and prevention. Environmental factors, such as diet, exposure to toxins, and lifestyle choices, can influence epigenetic patterns. These epigenetic changes may, in turn, impact susceptibility to diseases or modulate the response to treatment. Studying environmental epigenetics opens up possibilities for personalized medicine approaches. The recognition that epigenetic changes are reversible has led to the development of epigenetic therapies. These interventions aim to modify epigenetic marks, restoring proper gene expression patterns and potentially treating various diseases. DNA methylation inhibitors, such as azacitidine and decitabine, are used in cancer treatment to reactivate tumor suppressor genes silenced by hypermethylation. These drugs have shown promise in certain hematological malignancies, but ongoing research seeks to expand their applications to other cancer types. Histone deacetylase inhibitors are another class of epigenetic drugs that target histone modifications. They have demonstrated efficacy in certain cancers and are being investigated for their potential in neurodegenerative diseases and inflammatory conditions. While epigenetics offers exciting possibilities for improving human health, it also raises ethical concerns. The potential for epigenetic modifications to be inherited across generations calls for careful consideration of the long-term effects of interventions. Looking ahead, future research in epigenetics holds tremendous promise. Advancements in technology and computational methods will enable the exploration of epigenomic landscapes at unprecedented resolution. Such insights may pave the way for groundbreaking discoveries in medicine and revolutionize our approach to healthcare. In conclusion, epigenetic factors are pivotal players in shaping human health. The intricate interplay between genes and epigenetic modifications influences development, aging, disease susceptibility, and response to therapies. Understanding the dynamic nature of epigenetics opens up avenues for novel interventions and personalized treatments, heralding a new era of precision medicine. Through this article, we have explored the fascinating world of epigenetics, delving into its mechanisms and implications for human health. By staying abreast of the latest research and embracing the potential of epigenetic therapies, we can pave the way for a healthier and more informed future. Thanks for watching. Ellen and Michael Moriarty, 2 RNs.